Welcome to Dalfin. In this video, we are going to learn how to configure the AI-powered event in Dalfin to process and update window records using AI. To begin, navigate to the Process Orchestrator inside the BrainGrid controller and create a new process. Now drag a UI trigger into the workflow and give it a meaningful title and description. Configure the method, menu, window, and field location where the trigger should appear in the window. After completing all the configurations, save the trigger. Next, from the Data Processing and ETL events, drag the Filter event. The Filter event is used to extract data from a table based on certain conditions. Give a meaningful title and description, then select the System, Menu, and Window. For the Record option, we can choose Constant Data, carry data from previous nodes, or filter the data. Since we want to extract records from the window, choose the Filter option and enable the option to retrieve all filtered values. Click Save to store the configuration. Now, from the Loop Events section, drag the For Loop node into the workflow. Give it a meaningful title and description. Here you will see two different iteration types. Since we want to perform operations on window data, choose the Data Iteration for Loop and click Choose from here. From the previous block, select the Node Data option and click OK to confirm the selection. Save the configuration and connect the node with the previous and next blocks. Now let's configure the for loop logic. Click on the Configure for Loop button and drag the AI-powered event. Provide a meaningful title and description for the event and enter the token for the AI service. Next, define the prompt that will be used to process the data. The prompt can include static input or variables carried from previous nodes, depending on the requirement. After configuring the required fields, save the event. Next, drag an Update Record event from the Data Operation Events section. Provide a meaningful title and description and choose the System, Menu, and Window. For selecting the record, choose the Data Carry operation and select the ID from the previous node. The fields will be automatically mapped, though you can manually map them if needed. Now click on Update Some field and select the field that you want to update using the AI-powered event. Choose the Data Carry operation again and select the node data from the AI-powered event block. Finally, connect all the nodes and save the configuration. Now publish the process and run it. The process will execute successfully, and the AI-powered event will process the data and update the selected fields in the window records. Thank you.